Hello everyone, good evening to all and welcome to the Pantech e-learning and welcome to the day 1 session of Generative AI and Deep Learning. Okay, so welcome to all and welcome everyone. So this is Sankar Ganesh from Pantech e-learning. So I'm a software developer at Pantech e-learning at 2 years. So warm welcome to all. Good evening and good evening everyone. Good evening to all. Okay. So before entering that, so our topic is we know, right? So that is generative AI as well as deep learning, how it is used in the agriculture field, right? So in this upcoming 5 days, we will discuss about the what is generative AI and or deep learning and how it is work, how we can use it in this particular concept in agriculture field. So these kind of things we will see in upcoming 5 days. So before entering that, I need a response from you in your from your side. Okay. So what do you know about that in this particular generative AI as well as deep learning? So whatever it is you know, you can share. Then we have to continue with the session. So first, I have to know, right? So how much knowledge you have already in this particular field. So that is easy to share my knowledge to you, and you also having some uh, easy things, right? So anyone kindly share me. So not like anyone. So everyone, whatever it is you know about in the generative AI plus deep learning. So whatever it is you know, you can share. Then we have to enter in the concept. Okay, everyone said like a good evening and no, audio is not. Yeah, Muhammad Farooq Shmi Gen AI creates a new content. Yeah, right. That is creating new content. Then is everything clear now? Screen and my voice. So everything is clear now. Once everything is okay, you can say the answer for my question. Just ask whatever it is you can, you know, you said. So if anyone share it, if you don't know about means, you can say no. Like AI helps in grabbing new information and creative contents. Okay, AI helps to grab a new information. Right, right, nice. Then deep learning for analyzing remote sensing images. Yeah, right. It's good for image created concepts. All right, Divya CSC and the Preeti one, nice one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry, but everything is clear means nice. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a field where we take help from machines to automate our work. Oh, yeah, that also nice. So it is now it is updated. So it is help to automate our regular workflow. That also we can to say it. Nice big updates. Nice. Deep learning is used for autonomous responses. Oh, that also helps to autonomous responses. Okay, nice answer. Nice. We have basic idea. Oh, okay. So everyone have basic idea, right? A give latest information. Okay, nice. Nice idea. No idea. Panchali Sengupta. So can you check it your volume? So everyone I can hear my voice. So deep learning is subset of machine learning. Under deep learning, create multi-layer structures to extract features and mimic the human brain. Yeah, exact answer. Mohammed Farooq. Yeah, super. Pattern recognizing and forecasting. So that is the deep learning or Gen AI. Gen AI creates new content on data which to be trained. So deep learning makes computers to take decision. It's automatically features extraction. Okay, nice, nice. AI is very much helping all of us in all domain. Yeah, super. Okay, thank you everyone. So everyone can give a lots of answers. So I thank you for that. Thank you for the response. Okay, sir. Okay, no issue. I will share my knowledge. Not a problem. So first of all, thanks for everyone. So while you are responding, so now we have to continue with that. So everyone give a proper answer. So what is the generative AI is generating new things, right? That is the exact answer, right? And deep learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and also it is help to automate also. And AI is help to automating the process and the workflow, everything. Okay, so increase voice. Okay, so kind wait a second. Now it's okay. Still it is now it's okay now. Okay, I hope now it's my voice is clear. I think if any problems, I voice is very low. Yeah, okay, fine. It's second. Fine now. Okay, so overall, it's getting very low voice. Kindly check it your mobile volume. So I think everyone said it's okay. So I think now I continue. So don't waste the time. So now I continue. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for your responses. Thank you. So now I continue that. So first of all, artificial intelligence is the we know definitely everyone we know about that, right? Why? Because of in our daily life we will repeatedly use this kind of technology like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot, and so in a mobile phone is having a virtual assistant Siri, Alexa. So these are all is a artificial intelligence technology. Why we said like that means this everyone it is do humans work. Why I can say like that means yeah. Why I can say like that means because of if for example now I have to know one thing like kind of car price or else I have to buy new things. I going to refer I mean asking some suggestion in my friend or else my family, and otherwise I have to come with that Google, right? So still it is a regular work. So overall we know how to sorry buy something we have to give us get a suggestion. So now it's having a chat gpt. So everyone have to using the chat gpt. Why? Because of it is most helpful to given every answers in a single platform. So if I have just I have to know about the particular car price. The ChatGPT gives the car model and old price, new price, the every features, latest model and a great what is that trending model. So everything gives the ChatGPT will give to me. It is easy to my work. Then only have to say the AI technology will capture in every places. Okay. So what is the difference between the AI and generative AI? Means the AI technology it is what is that? Take the but like collect the information and share it to us. But generative AI is create the new things. The AI means already existing data to collect and get send it from us, send it to us. But generative AI is to create the new things. That is the difference between the artificial intelligence and the generative artificial intelligence. Okay. So then so that's the thing. The AI is mimic like a human. That is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines, and it aims to enhance the computer learning, reasoning, and perception. AI can mimic human capabilities such as communication, learning, and decision making. Also, just now I said that artificial intelligence is mimic like a human. Okay, so what all the applications are available in this particular AI technology? Yeah, so starting with the healthcare. So now the AI is in captured in every field, starting from the transportation and education, then cinema industry and the production industry. Everywhere the AI will be captured. So now I have to address in a one or two platform only address it. So starting with the healthcare, AI can help develop the new drugs and the new diagnosis diseases and perform this help to perform the surgery also, like the CT scan and multiple scanners or the image scan. So everything, X-ray scan, everything is working like a one of the part of artificial intelligence. And next one is a self-driving car. So self-driving car, it is, we know about that, that is Tesla car, the Elon Musk innovation, right? So AI plays a crucial role in autonomous vehicles, enabling them to perceive their surroundings and make decisions and navigate safely. So how the what is that? Artificial, sorry, Tesla car will be work means based on the previous training data, the car will be working like that. For example, now one car like Tesla car will be right on the road, like it's in move on the road, right? Suddenly, any another people or else another car will be in front of this car. I mean, across the particular vehicle, like the Tesla means, automatically the car will be think. So whatever we know, sorry, whatever it is we do, sorry, what is we do is thinking. Then it is thinking. So have to apply the brake. Finally, they is doing that particular work. That is the eh, that is the major work of Tesla car. That time the machine thinking like a human. So in that particular place, one driver is there means what they do is thinking. I have to apply the brake. Suddenly is think and do that work. Finally, the action will be there. So same concept, the machine also there. That is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, and then so this is the example for just an video sharing. So here the car will be drive without human interaction. So automatically the car was driving. Because of the starting to the end destination we will be fixed. Based on the Google Map help, the car will be identifying the location and the route everything. So other than that, in front of the way, any obstacles or any person will be there, automatically is think on particular what is that action. So we have to what is that yeah, we have to decrease the speed or else we have to apply the brake. So based on the condition they have to work. So this is also one of the example based on the sensing device, the camera wise is analyzing the surroundings. So now this car will be there, suddenly a human passed it to the pedestrian, automatically the car was stopped. So based on the sensing, like the radius wise is analyzing the environment and follow up the particular things. So next one, virtual assistant. So we know about that already in applications. So Apple iPhone having Siri, in Alexa and Google Assistant having every Android mobiles. So everyone we have to talk about this kind of AI assistant, like virtual assistant, right? So the Siri is the best example because of it is one of the inbuilt AI technology in Apple iPhone. So because it is reducing our physical work, right? So now I have to call my friend. So what do I do? What do I do? I said Alexa or Siri, call my friend. I said my friend's name. Automatically the call is going to my friend, right? So this the same concept we followed here also. The Alexa also same like that. Based on the environment wise, I said one thing. So I give my command. Based on my command, automatically it is working. So in end of the session, I have to show one particular virtual assistant example. Okay. So this is same like that. Google Assistant help users with a task and schedule appointments and provide information and everything. So this is the example for virtual assistant. Now the children will be said one kind of answer for this particular Alexa to reply for this particular children's command. So I cannot contain the voice. So I said the example. I have to show the example in end of the session. Okay. So next one, agriculture. So our major concept will focus on here. So agriculture means whatever is majorly we need. So we have to analyzing the particular crops yield prediction. How much yield prediction? Yield will be there in particular month wise or season wise and year wise. How much yield is here? So we have to analyze that with the help of the AI as well as deep learning technology. And based on the land condition, so soil condition and weather condition, based on that we have to do that our yields also. So AI can help farmers and make quicker and more efficient decision by the collecting data about the condition of the soil and weather and appearance of everything, the crop appearance and everything. Okay, so in this particular 5 days we have to three individual project for this kind of agriculture field. We will see in one by one. And next, marketing also. It is help to most important thing and unique thing also. So before 20 years, we have to market one kind of product or any kind of things. We have to go within the direct field. What is that? Market offline field. We have to go, right? Go and promote our product like that way. So now it's no needed. We have the technology was very improved. We have mobile phone. In mobile phone, we have to take a picture of the product, just then give us some kind of captions and about the particular product. We have sent it to the social medias. That is the best marketing. That is called as a digital marketing. That is most helpful and the most trending thing also. Now it's here till now, right? Also, it's here mentioned it here. AI can automate the advertising the campaigns and allowing the digital marketers to publish ads and across various mediums and they reach a broader audience base also. So based on the marketing wise, how much field is there? So facial recognition. So these are all the everything is the AI applications, right? So AI is used in a security system for facial recognition and enhancing the authentication and the access control. So smart attendance, best example is a smart attendance. The smart attendance is to reading our face based on our face features. It is identify it is that this person. So for my example means my name, my Shankar Ganesh, and in this department in this role, and also he is entering into this kind of particular timing also. So based on the minutes and the seconds also, it's included. Smart attendance is the best example for and crowd monitoring and what is that? Terrorist activities. So everything is helpful. The facial recognition will be helpful. So based on the face features, we have to identify the particular each people, right? And the recommendation system. So that also one of the best example. So AI algorithms is analyzing the customer preference and behaviors to provide the personalized product recommendation. So it's a best example. It's a Zomato and a Swiggy. So today I have to order one kind of food means tomorrow same restaurant or same place I have get some kind of suggestions. So this food is having some kind of offers, but this food is having some kind of combo and it's a very good delicious food. So based on this based on my previous search, right? So today I have to order in like given one order in biryani like any kind of food in one particular place. I mean any familiar place. Tomorrow I can get this recommendation from this particular place because based on my previous data. So next one is in robotics. So AI enables the robots to operate autonomously and make decisions based on the sensor input and adapting to changing the environment without constant human intervention. So it is not mimic like a human; it also look like a human. That is robotics. Right, same like a human's full body parts we have to see in a robots. So already we will see in what is that in multiple cinemas we have to see the particular robots, right? So it is not a robot, it is a cobot. It is cooperative robot, cooperative bot we have to say, but it is not like a exact robot, right? It is help to human. Okay, so now the serving things the robot cobot will be do this. Okay. So next one is it is the latest news about we know everyone about that Chandrayaan 3 launching in the moon. That is a biggest achievement in India. So in upcoming Chandrayaan 4 in planning to launch in 2027. We have to plan for launching the Chandrayaan 4 also, right? Chandrayaan 3 launching in July 14, right? July 14, 2023. We successfully done our launching. So in why we have to mention it here means the AI will be help to analyzing the rover, that particular rover to help to analyzing the particular moon surface. The AI will be biggest role played in the particular field. Then only we have to mention in the Chandrayaan 3 here. Okay, so this is the example. This is the way the rover will automatically detect the any obstacles or any kind of things is in front of that way. Automatically it is find out the particular obstacle and scanning and everything. Okay, then only we have to mention it here. So building blocks of AI as well as generative AI. Building block means requirements. Okay, so machine learning and deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing. So we have to discuss about the one by one. So first one is a machine learning. So machine learning is already most of the people you said machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is focuses on the development using algorithms and computers to learn the particular data, that is called as a machine learning. Simply said, that process, machine learning is a process of artificial intelligence. Okay. The fundamental idea behind the machine learning is to allow the computers to learn and improve their performance on a specific task without explicitly program. Okay, so this is the thing. This is a process. Machine learning is a process of artificial intelligence. We have to train the machine for the final purpose of to predict one kind of value. So without data, we cannot do anything, right? So already we know about that. In IT industry or software industry, we need a data. Then only we have to work with that particular process. So first we have to data collecting and analyzing and pre-processing the data. Finally, we have to give a model, our machine learning algorithm model. The model will be predict whatever I will ask. So it's give an answer for us. Okay. So next one, this is an example data. So just an example, I have to say this data. So in car data is here. So car name and year wise, the present price and the fuel type. So which kind of type is that? Seller type, then dealer or direct owner or transmission, manual or automatic. How many owners, kilometer driven, and the age. So how many years the car bike like bought, and the selling price. So everything is there. This is just an example for data. Okay. So next one is the types of machine learning. So what is the type? So there is commonly three kind of types you have to implement in the machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So supervised means it is a teacher-student concept. Okay, why? Because of once we have to train our model, after that the model will be working perfectly. That only we have to set it is a teacher-student concept. That means now I am a teacher, like I am a trainer or mentor, whatever it is. Now I have to share my knowledge to you, then you have to work and you have to implement this same knowledge with your perspective or yourself. Then you have to develop your side, right? You have to know one thing. So same concept here. As a user, now I have to train my model, my system, with the help of the data, labeled data. I will share the data into this particular model. The model was trained, then it's ready to predict my data, right? So the label data is having, it is sorry, label data is meaning each and every data is having one particular name that is labeled. Okay, so based on the shape wise, so now the round is a circle and the box is a square and the three faces is a triangle. Now we represent each and every data is having one label. In this label data, I have to share the model. The model was trained. Once it's trained, then I have to give a predict. So I have to share a one round shape object. So the model will be predict it is a circle, because my training data is circle labeled. Then only automatically it is predicted the label name is a circle base. I'm not exactly sharing the same data. I have to share the that kind of model data. So round shape object I have to set, that is ball or it's any plate. So whatever it is, I have to share the model. My model will be predict it is a circle shape. That's the one data. Because of already we know about that. That is the label data is circle. Then only it is happen like that. The next one, it is a supervised learning. Oh, sorry, I already said supervised learning is having two kind of data, like types. So one is regression, another one is a classification. So what is the difference between the both of it? Means classification is having the this or that or yes or no type, and regression is having the continuous values, that is starting from the 0 to still 1000, like that. I have to ask me two questions. Okay, so what is the today's weather? So we have to set the two kind of answer. That means one way is today is very hot or today is very cold, right? So next another one is it is 74 or 42 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius is too much. So once we have to set the yes or no type, hot or cold. Otherwise we have to share it the temperature. 74 to 45 degrees Celsius is present in this particular place. That is continuous one. That is the classification one, right? That also the difference between the both. So regression is an example, means it is a continuous values. Example, price prediction or age prediction or else sales prediction. These are all these examples, because of our prediction is comes like a numbers value, right? Classification means yes or no type, that is true or false. Like if I have to asking um, If I asking to you means if you went, you have to go your house or not. If I asking like this means you said yes or no, right? You have said any one answer. Yes, now yes means yes, no means no, right? It's the same concept with here classification also. In this classification, this example is yeah, loan approval. You will upload the loan was approved or not, or the person is having heart disease or not, and the person survived or not. So yes or no type. So that's the thing. The classification is represented here. And next one is unsupervised learning. And yeah, unsupervised learning is opposite to supervised learning. Why? Because of it is a unlabeled data, because we don't know about the output also. So based on our data, we have to classify, like grouping the data. So here you can see the unlabeled data. So some group of what is that? Some amount of data we have, right? So inside the data, some kind of shapes. Based on the shape wise, multiple data are there. That's a square, circle, and triangle, six ways. Totally four kind of shapes in having some kind of amount of data. So we have to share it, right? So we have to share the machine. The machine is the predictive value based on the data's count. So now this square shape is having two kind of square shapes, right? So the machine was predicting to that it is so like square is one of the group, and circle is one of the group, and triangle is one of the group, and six faces is one of the group. So based on the data's count wise, the what is that? The machine was predicted, like classified the group. That is called as an unsupervised learning. Okay. And next one is a reinforcement learning. So reinforcement means that is also one of the cycle concept. So here one agent is here, and finally environment is also here. So the agent's major thing it is he have to complete the particular environment, right? That is the concept. So in between that, the agent is getting some kind of follow one kind of process, like rules or some kind of method. In this particular method is succeed or not. So we don't know about that. So he is getting some kind of failures. So based on the mistake and the errors, he can apply the another method. Same like as our human life. Okay, we know about that. Everyone it is running to our one kind of goal. So everyone having some kind of goals, right? So once we have to achieve the goal, then we have to move on to the next one. Otherwise, we have to follow the same process, right? So same like here also. So we have to say give a, and some kind of mistakes. So we have to what is that? Resolve that. So same like here also. We have in this agent to follow one kind of method. The method is not working for that. So he try with another one. In that particular method, he have to follow, right? So he getting some kind of factors or like key points getting from that. That is state and reward. He's also getting some kind of errors and also advantage also. So he can collect that. Then he in next time he not do that particular error. Yes, that is the thing. The reinforcement learning. So next one is the deep learning. So deep learning is a method of artificial intelligence that also same like that. It is teaches the computers to process the data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. So already one person is said to that is working like a human brain. Exactly, the deep learning is working like a human mind. Why? Because of the human mind is having controlling the neural network like neurons. Same like here also, the deep learning is controlling the neural networks. What is the major purpose of the neuron means to passing the information in every body parts, in our every body parts. Same like here also, the deep learning with the help of the neural network, it is passing the data in every places to the machine learning process or artificial intelligence process. Okay. And deep learning is model can recognizing the complex pattern in the picture, text, and sound and other data. Every data can handle the deep learning concept. Okay, so that is the thing. It is a deep learning. And same like that. So without data we cannot do anything, right? So data collecting, analyzing the pre-processed data, and we have to neural network, I mean pass it to the data into neural network. The neural network will pass the data, pre-process the data and send it to the another process, like next process. Okay. And then next one is so this is the architecture of neural network. Starting from the one particular neural network layer, the data will be uh, cross over to the every neurons, the next layer, and move on to the next layer. So finally it is getting the yes or no type. So you're getting the one output. So it is yes means yes, is no means no, right? And so it is a understanding process of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So both are help to create the artificial intelligence concept. So next one is a computer vision. So computer vision, it is working like a human's eye concept. So how the deep learning is working like a human brain, same like that computer vision is working like a human's eyes. Why we can means we have to see with the help of the eyes, we have to see the in the real world. Same like here, computer vision is help to identify the real world. The computer can, the machine can see in the real world things. That means camera, the sensing device camera. Okay. So computer vision is a field of AI that enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from the digital image, videos, and other visual inputs. Everything is like that. If AI enables the computers to think and computer vision enables them to see, the observe and understand. So we have to pass it the image or live real-time video means the computer will be analyzing the frame and pass it the data to the neural network like that. So one person also said this one also. So image, the deep learning help to capturing the image and analyzing the image. The deep learning models help to creating or analyzing the videos and image data. The next one is a NLP. NLP is a natural language processing. How it is exactly helps to means it is a branch of AI concerned with giving computers the ability to understand the text and the spoken words in much the same way human beings can. So that means we are all human, right? So now I know English and Tamil. So both language I have to know. I know, right? I have to speak. If I speak with you English, everyone can understand because the English is a common language. So all over world, every people know about English, right? That is the one of the communication language. If we speak with Tamil means similar. Some people have to understand. Some people don't cannot understand, right? Because they are know about don't know about the particular language. I don't know the spoke the particular understanding the particular language, right? Now I cannot understand the Hindi or Telugu and other language. So inside the humans also we have some kind of language barriers. Apart from that, human language is different and computer language is different, right? So computers can only understand the 0 or 1 value, right? How many people you know about? I don't know. So in cinemas, in movies also they have to represent. So computers represent the 0 or 1 values repeatedly comes. Some kind of graphic effects also they can add. It's true because of the computers only can handling the numbers. If you said the hi one message to my friend means the hi word, the particular text is converting into the numbers like 0 to 1 value randomly it is assigning. The computer can understand and the same number is passing to the another mobile like another device. The opposite person to receive the like opposite device to receive the message and converting into again human language in a text format. As a human, we can understanding only text format only we can understand. We cannot understanding the numbers. Then only the NLP is help to play a biggest role in this place. So NLP combines the computational, linguistic, and rule-based modeling of human language with the statistical machine learning and deep learning models. Together, these two technologies enables the computers to process the human language. So just now I said the same concept is here also. And human language. So that means our text word, our spoken words also we have to say it. So we cannot give a proper thing, right? So if we chat with our friend or any people means we have to say good morning means we have to send it to the GM. That also the computer can understand and share it the data to the opposite person, right? So next one is a generative AI. So what is generative AI? So now we have to implement the major concept of generative AI. So now I already said generative AI is a type of AI technology that uses the algorithm and the neural network to create the new content from existing data. Okay. Then generative AI is learn patterns from the training data and generate the new and unique outputs with the same statistical properties. It can produce the various type of contents and including text, imagery, audio, and synthetic data. So this is the way the every generative AI will be work. So lots of things we have to do in the generative AI concept. So we have to create the A corporate headshot. Like imagine to us, we are all like in another way of things. Like whatever it is, we have to know. If I have to standing in a coat shoot or any new dresses, I have to give a prompt. Automatically, it's converting to the another format. And art generator. So based on our imagines, we have to implement the imagination in our prompt way. We have to deliver. We can get this proper output for like that. The same hey headshot generator. So normal people into the hero superheroes like that way. And object removing and the logo generator and the image reconstructed and colorizing the photo with the AI, black and white to color, and then upscale the photo like candid photo like that, and remove background with AI. So everything is happened to the AI technology also. Okay, now the next one is in generative models. There are two kind of generative model system. One is a GAN, another one is in VA. It is a very familiar. Still, it is working in a generative AI concept. So GANs means Generative Adversarial Network, and the VA is in Variational Autoencoders. So both are having different work. So later I will explain about this kind of in project we have to enter. I will explain about this kind of both networks. I mean models. So ChatGPT, we know about that example. Best example is that text generative AI models. So that is called also called as LLM models. So if we repeatedly using, we are everyone using the ChatGPT and Gemini, thus everything is an LLM models because that is text to text. Right? They're also converting the image. That's a different thing. Our input is working like a text only. We have to share it our input in text only, right? And sorry, for example, I have to create one kind of thing. So the dog plays in one particular top of the building. I have to give the prompt means the ChatGPT generate the image also. He's explained the scenario also and also it generate the image. But my input is only text format. That is called as a LLM, large language model. Okay. And so Photoshop, we know about that. So Photoshop means to help to recreate the image and regenerate the image. I mean, transform the one image into another image like that way. The Photoshop also is help to create the generative AI to build the particular application. Okay. So wet alley at night. That means the particular deed in front of the particular one street view in front of the night, rainy night. Generative fill now in the Photoshop also. So like that way. So manually we can do, but we have to give a prompt. Now it's help to reconvert the particular image into the another format. Now it's a library. It is converting into the particular forest like that. Inside the forest we have to create our own library like that way. And text to image generating models. There are three kind of text to image generating models: DALI, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. So now this individual model is having the individual chatbots are like that. Chat models also individually there in the ChatGPT series. So Stable Diffusion, DALI, Midjourney. If I have to one kind of image, we have to try within three different models. So the Stable Diffusion, it is working like based on this self creation, and the DALI is only one focused on the particular realistic image. The Midjourney is one of the dark side of the particular imagination. Our imagination, dark side means um, our imagination also is included. Same like that, they also adding some kind of features. That is the difference between the both three: the Stable Diffusion, DALI 2, and the Midjourney. So our prompt is one. So alone astronaut on Mars, mysterious, colorful, hyper realistic. So it's a difference between the three models. So now is going to the AI crop in agriculture field in AI technology. So now in this particular one, we have to do that in multiple things. So we have to analyzing the weather and also same like that soil condition. So we have to do this particular yielding in this particular land or not. We have to analyze that also. The deep learning is helpful for analyzing the particular process. Okay. So computer vision help to analyzing the real world images. So real images, for example, leaf disease detection. We have to take means in the particular leaf is affecting the disease or not. we have to done with this particular prediction. And next one is a PyTorch. PyTorch is an important library in particular generative AI as well as deep learning concept. It is one of the framework. PyTorch is an open source machine learning library used for developing and training the neural network based on the deep learning models. And PyTorch is widely used in the research and development of artificial intelligence applications, including NLP and computer vision and deep learning also. So wherever the image is included, we have to using the PyTorch. The PyTorch is one of the best open source library for image analysis. Okay, and it is primarily developed by the Facebook's AI research group. The releasing team is a Facebook AI, like Meta AI. Okay, the Facebook's another name is Meta, right? Sorry. And PyTorch provides the seamless GPU support for accelerating the deep learning computation through the CUDA integration and automatic parallelization. So the PyTorch is supported for the CPU as well as GPU format, like hardware unit also. The PyTorch will support. And uses of the PyTorch is extensively used by the researchers and developers, prototyping and experiment do that. And researchers, every pupils will do this using this deep learning concept like PyTorch. And PyTorch uses the core Python concepts like classes, structures, and the conditional loop. Has a lot of more initiative to understand the particular PyTorch library and uses also. So use cases in focus on PyTorch. So Tesla is used PyTorch for analyzing the routes in autopilot mode. So now I said the Tesla car is automatically driving in the road. Voice is very clear. Okay, thank you. Why suddenly said this Manavalan? Okay. So Tesla uses the PyTorch for analyzing routes in autopilot mode. So what are the IDEs we have to using in this particular project and in this particular place? Colab, Google Colab, Jupyter, and Kaggle. So Google Colab is using for to converting the GPU format like T4 GPU, CPU to GPU. So multiple hardware unit we have to need. We have to using the Colab. Same like that, Jupyter means the Jupyter is help to working with an offline mode as well as without lagging. We have to follow maintain the workflow of this particular project. Kaggle is to collecting the every data in this particular Kaggle platform. So installation of PyTorch, already we know that is a pip install torch, that is the torch using PyTorch, short form is a torch, and we have to upload the follow this kind of command. We have to mention like see this version of the particular torch. Okay. So next we have to see in the monitor. I mean three kind of project in this upcoming 5 days.
Hello. Now, now I'm audible. Hello. Now I'm audible now. Kindly anyone reply. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Yeah. Okay. Thank you for everyone. Thank you and sorry for that. The mic is disconnected. So then yeah. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for it. Thank you. Okay. Now I continue. Okay. Yeah. So in this three kind of project, we have to majorly focus on this in particular upcoming 5 days. Okay. Crop modeling first slide. Okay, crop monitoring, this is my first slide. So we have to focus on the three kind of projects. One is a crop monitoring, second one is a leaf disease detection using CNN, third one is a crop yield prediction using ML and DL. How can we create the model and train the model, how to predict the yield of the so particular count of yield in this particular year wise we have to predict the what is that yield. So this kind of things we have to discuss in upcoming 3 days, and in per day we have to focus on the individual project. Okay, so don't worry about that. And next one I have to show you one thing. So if you have you have to having some laptop or mobile whatever it is, you can search with this. So I have giving one kind of thing. This person does not exist, you can search with this one. Does not exist. Oh, sorry. This person does not exist. You can uh, using this command in your browser, you can get it on first website, first web page. You can get it the image like this. So every time you can refresh the page, you can get the new images. So what is the major thing is, in this every people is not existing in a real world. The every image is generating from the artificial intelligence. The AI technology was they're generating this kind of every images based on the real human face features. The particular images have to generate. It is not present in this particular real world existing people. Every time we can refresh the page, randomly the people are there, the male or female and children or adult or old age people. So randomly they have to come. The most important thing, so no one can present in this real world. That is the important thing, right? So this person is not existing. So it is generate just an example I have to show generate a concept. Okay, so so now I will show you the particular example of virtual assistant. Right? I can show you that and run this particular code. Okay, wait a second. So now I have to open this particular code. Yeah. So now it is one of the, it's just an entry level assistant only. So it is not do that every work. I have given some kind of work. So in basic work that is I have to say opening the any social medias or like that any my personal things I have to do that things. That kind of things only it is happen. Okay, it is not do that every things is not do that like. If I just first thing if I have to run this one means it is give a greetings and is asking to me. Oh, okay, yeah, it is asking some kind of installations. So okay, wait a second. So all I said, I think I said or not. So you have to install any libraries. You can follow this command that is pip install. So pip install PyTorch 3. It is help to the PyTorch 3 here now in this particular concept. The PyTorch 3 is help to generating the voice for my system, for my device or my laptop, whatever it is. That is the PyTorch 3 is help it here. So next one is another thing that is speech recognition. install speech recognition. Okay, oh sorry, you have to forget. Again, it's not, audio is not clear. Audio is not coming up. Pawan Kumar sir and Navi to kindly check it your volume, or once you quit the live and again you can rejoin the live, you can get proper audio, I think, because everyone is working fine, so you both are only set. Okay, why it is repeatedly set like this? Okay, I can follow this one. Yeah, now it's coming down. So next one, pi audio, it is no needed. So for always focus, I have to do this. Yeah, now it's done. So once I refresh this and I can again I have to share. I open this. Yeah, now it's open this. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now I run this one. So once I run this, starting from the greetings to me, then you have to follow waiting for my command, and then it is followed to my everything. I mean that means if I said any open said sorry I said social media, I open your YouTube, I open Facebook. Based on my command, it is giving the answer like do that particular work. It is opening the particular tab to me. So based on my command, it is working like that. So play music means it is apply the music. So everything. So just a minute. Okay. So now once I run this, you can see again. Yeah. Once I run this. Good afternoon, myself Jarvis sir. Please tell me how can I help you today. So now it said good afternoon to me and introduce himself. So his name is Jarvis and what can I help? It is asking to me. Then you can see the screen. It is followed by the listening. So listening means now it's listen, waiting for my words. If I speak to you, but it also it is the system was recognized. Okay, listening and recognizing. So now you can see the everything, the every sentence user said. Now I am a user. So my word is everything is noted. He's the particular asking will be noted because I continually speaking, right? So next I have to give some kind of command, then you apply in the particular command. Okay, so you can see here. Um, so starting from here, so in this place I have to set the YouTube, Google, Sackerflow, these kind of things only I have to set. This particular AI will be do that. Okay, now starting from this. Um, Wait a second. Now I said open YouTube. So now I set the YouTube word only. Automatically it is move on to the tab. I mean browser. It is opening the particular YouTube page. Okay. So next one, open Facebook. So same thing. I can't do anything. So the Facebook will be open like here. Next one, open Stack Overflow. Oh sorry, open Stack Overflow. So now here also I can't do anything. So based on my comment in voice wise, they have to understand my question. I mean comment. Then they implement the particular process. Then vending is a WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp. So it is just to go on to the login page. It's not entering the particular chat account using the laptop. Then only it has happened. Final thing, if I give the Instagram means they're also there. Open Instagram. Okay. Open Instagram when the listening will be came, then only that place only have to set, then only the system have to ready to listen my voice. Okay, so next one, play music. Play music already. Okay, okay, wait a second. Okay, now it's not again. I said okay, play music. Play music. So now it is opening on kind of song and play that song. It is a Tamil song is here. Now it's automatically it is based on my OS system. That means the inbuilt system, local storage. The song is downloaded here. Now I have the two kind of songs based on my index value. The song will be select and play for me. And the next one, what is the next thing? Yeah, time. We have tried to time. I think the time is take too much time. Okay, we can check. Okay, time. I think time library is not properly installed. Maybe once I check it and show you. So now I go to the next folder. I have to open one kind of folder. Open. Oh shit. Open code. Now here you can see the code folder is here. Codes. Because already on file manager window is there now. So then only it's happened. So code folder is here. The open code. It is opening the particular folder. Finally, it is an open photo. So now it is opening some kind of image. And then next one is a yeah, finally the video is there. Okay, open video. Okay, here also the tab is open but it is not maximum. So now we can, so now we can see the video will be automatically played. This video is present in this particular folder and only it is playing like here. Finally, my ending command, if I set these three kind of queries, so starting with this by and exit or quit, so whatever it is I said, automatically the loop is stopped. Again, it is not asking the listening or recognizing, it is not working. Yeah, now it's here. Now I speak to you, so I suddenly said the stop or else exit word, so automatically it is stopped. Okay, the loop is stopped. It is not executed anything. I mean, said anything, right? So this is the way. Audibility is very low, I think. Okay, once I check it now, we can manage like adjust that. I don't know why it has happened. In next session, I have to correct the particular uh, video, I mean audio set. Okay, so this is the thing. This is the way it is working like that. So everything is working there based on our command wise and some kind of unique library is also there. Just an example, I have to show the one A example. I have to show this one. Again, my voice is not clear. Okay, I have to try to share this code in your WhatsApp. So if everyone is present in this WhatsApp group, I think in this particular group, we will share the code, try to share the code. It's just an example for AI technology, for your understanding. In upcoming projects, we have to see one by one. Okay, so now everyone can understand this one. So still today, it's introduction of generative AI, deep learning, and machine learning. This kind of things, everything. What is what and what is exactly, and applications. So this kind of things we will see discuss about the theoretical way. And finally, we have to see one kind of example also. And I hope you understand this one. And if you have any doubt, you can ask now or else in next session in your WhatsApp group. Say everywhere. You have to asking your queries and doubts. We will wait for that. And so now you have any doubt, you can ask. So still we have time. So you can try to ask anything. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for your words. Yeah, definitely. We have to tomorrow, starting with tomorrow or tomorrow after, we are entering into the practical way, like the three kind of project I said, right? So we have to follow that project, and so regularly we can follow to our channel. If you have to any regular updates, you can follow to our channel. Yeah, of course. I think starting from tomorrow, we have to pending some kind of topics that we have to follow. We have to complete tomorrow. Then we are entering into the project. So we will share the attendance link also. So kindly give it our attendance. What is Meta AI? So Meta AI is one of the chatbot. Say how the ChatGPT Gemini is there now. Same like that. Meta AI also one of the chatbot. In WhatsApp you have to AI, right? So in every in our every WhatsApp you having the Meta AI. So you can ask in this word Meta AI, right? So this is also one of the chat GPT model. By asking one thing, it is giving my answer to give answers to me. So now I type one thing and show you. Um, so now I'm asking one thing. I think it's clear or visible or not. I'm asking, hey, how is today's climate in Chennai? So this is the thing I have to ask. So once I send, so it is giving some kind of prompt, like answer. So I think it's not clearly view. I think. So I'm asking only climate about today's weather in Chennai. So it's giving some kind of Celsius and it's chill or not, like that way it is giving explanation. This is also one of the chatbot, same like ChatGPT and Gemini wise. It is a inbuilt in WhatsApp. That's it. It's not a much difference between the others and the Meta AI. Yeah, kindly share it your attendance in a link. Already we have to share a link in the pinned comment. The attendance link is there. So don't forget to provide your attendance. In next upcoming sessions, we have to entering into the projects. So stay followed and stay tuned with us. Then we can get the updates. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more updates in day by day. So if you have any doubts, you can ask, or else we will meet with the next session. So no one can doubt, right? Okay. So thank you for your time. So if you know about any basic language, Python, like programming languages like Python, Java, this kind of things, you can using the basic codes. You have to create this kind of things. Okay, so no need to wait a second. Yeah, definitely we can share the code in your WhatsApp group. So stay present in your WhatsApp group, and you will share the code and everything, every updates. And thank you for your time. Oh, okay, nice. Thank you, Simha and thank you everyone. Yeah, definitely we have to share the code and every presentation in your WhatsApp. So stay available in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. So don't forget to fill out your attendance. So after the live, 10 minutes, the chat will be available. So kindly, and also we have to share the attendance link in try to share in WhatsApp. So kindly give it your attendance. Don't forget. So we will meet with the next session and see you. Thank you all. Thank you.